Mind your own business, Omkar. Don't mind what I am doing, okay? I'm doing for my own update channel. So if you don't like my channel, skip, go to the other more video. I don't force yourself to see my video here. You're looking for something, you go ahead. Go in other places. But not me. Not in my channel, okay? Mind your own business. What I'm doing, it's not your own, it's mine. So don't teach me what I'm doing. When love is new and the world is searching for you, especially I don't like bad people. I don't like bad people. I really hate bad people. Don't make bash with you. I'm so boring. Talaga dapat ko lang talaga palitan kasi napaka-bad mo talaga. Hindi ko lang alam sa pag-alis ko ng video ko niyan. I didn't feel why those who don't have channel, they don't have pictures, they don't have photos in their channel, why people those are very bad, saying bad words, saying nonsense, my goodness. Scammer. Omakar, you are scammer. Don't stay in my channel, go away. I don't like this kind of people like you. Chemistry.